Today I was working on one of my dad's trains. He had it actually belonged to my Uncle John. Him and my dad used to play great train wreck with this train and a 2035. So the 2020 and 2035 used to run into each other. This particular train happens to be a 686, which was a S-class train. Only existed in real life. But anyway, I was restoring this for my brother and he asked me to fix it up. So I went out and bought a train that was being thrown out at a train store. The guy was rebuilding trains and he said he was about to throw one out. So I took it from him, or got it from him, and he had a 681 and this one being a 2020. So what I had to do is, because this is the original base to my uncle's train, as you can see, it's pretty well rusty. I'm going to try to clean it up just to preserve it for sake of keeping some original parts. But not only was that rusty, but the E unit doesn't work. It's broken or burned up. It's really bad. It won't even power. And the smokestack of the one I bought, well, actually, before I get to that, the front and back truck got lost over the years from them playing Great Train Wreck, broke them off. So those were lost over the years. With this other train that I picked up, the base I used for it had a bad smoke unit. The bad smoke unit wasn't working right. And it had a bad motor, wasn't working. So what I did, because I needed a E unit, I needed a clean base that wasn't all rusty and seized up. So I used the base, I used the motor from the original train that my uncle had, plus the smokestack, rebuilt the base, put the body on it of my uncle's train, and pulled the body of the one I bought off. Since it had a broken cow catcher, I was not going to use that one. So that is what I did with that train. And to run it, had to kick on power. And it runs just fine.